Hi, my name is Umi and I teach hospitality programs at Sunway College, Johor Bahru. Today, I'm going to show you some simple techniques of napkin folding. The size of the napkin that I'm using is 55 by 55 cm. The first folding is called buffet serve. Let's get started. Fold the napkin in quarters. Place it so the free corners are at the upper left. Roll down the top layer to the center of the napkin. Roll down the second layer and tuck the point under the first layer. You will now have two equal bands. Hold the napkin firmly and turn it over. Fold about 1/4 of the total width on the upper right and left corners. Flip over and we are done. The next folding is called rows. Fold the corners of the napkin to the center. Fold the new corners to the center. Again, fold the new corners to the center. Hold the napkin firmly and turn it over. Then, fold the corners to the center. Pull out the corners one by one from the underside. Hold the center point as you turn over the napkin. Pull out a point on each side at the front. Then, fluff out the innermost points to form the center petals. I hope you have enjoyed today's fun lesson. See you at Sunway College, Johor Bahru.